there is saying 3.5, right? If it is go to 3.5, the OAG will be engaged. The OAG will be engaged. If you see here, this is the 2.5 meter. This is the rate and speed. This is the rate and speed 2.5 meter per second. Okay. If the speed is going to 2.8, okay, 2.88.
Okay.
It will trip.
It will trip.
Yes. Same way like in all the. Here you can see clearly. This is the tripping speed. Normal speed is 2.5. Okay. And we will be having two safety switches. One is electrical, one is mechanical. First one will be the electrical switch.
Okay.
That will trip by 2.88.
2.88.
If the speed is crossed 3.13, automatically safety will be engaged. Lift will be stopped.
Okay. So how you will increase the
How you are saying like the lift will in the high speed? For example, and worst case I am saying, if all the ropes have been cut, all the ropes, what will happen? Lift will go free fall.
Yes, free fall.
That time what will happen? Automatically lift speed will be increased.
Yes, yes.
Okay. At that time, our setting is 2.5 meter per second.
I agree.
When the free fall happen, lift will go to abnormal speed.
Yes, abnormal.
Then automatically the OAG governor will be sense that one and it will activate the safety gear and it will hold the elevator.
Okay.
Here we have single row.
Single row.
Single row, it will hold the full cabin. This is only 10 mm. Yes. This is only 8 mm. Sorry, 8 mm rope. That is 13 mm rope. Lift will run. Actually, I am saying is very an infinity way. There are 5 ropes. Even out of 5, 4 ropes have been cut also. With single rope, it will not fall down.
Can we do the testing? This no.
Testing. He asked me about some rope. Rope is found as right? You can see the sign here now. This is the normal size.
Okay.
Can you do it again? If you are not doing proper commissioning, these two switches for lift to drive the lift.
Madam, can you do it again?
Okay. Now it is in the inspection mode. You can see this is the recall drive.
Okay.
If I put the elevator in this way, it's in the normal run.
The normal one.
Okay. If I make it in the inspection, yes. The inspection I can make the elevator by run by
Manually.
our hand, manually.
Manually.
Yes. If I press these two buttons, lift will go down. You have to hold this button, then only it will start to move down. Okay. If you press these two buttons, okay, it will start to run up direction.
This is the brake function.
This brake function. Actually here, the machine brake will be always applied. You can see the brake here. This is the shield. This is the brake. This is the brake.
Can you operate it
Down sir. It will open.
Yeah.
You see? It is open. Like machine will be always brake will be applied in the machine. So whenever the signal is coming to the controller through our signal devices, then the same feedback will be given to the machine to open the brake.
What next?
This is the isolation pads.
Why this one is not bolted?
No, it should not be bolted.
Should not be bolted.
Yeah, otherwise what will happen? If you put the bolt here, the machine will be stable to rest on the floor. Then what will happen? Whenever if there is lift movement, like if it is start from one floor to next floor, there will be some shaking, vibration on the machines. So to avoid that one, the machine bed plates or machine parts should not be arrested on the floor. There should be some isolation pads on the floor. Above that only we have to fix it. Otherwise each and every moment there will be load.
Okay. What is this one?
Yeah. This is the protection sheet cover. Like we have the rope cutters.
Yes.
So if I put any materials on the floor, it may fall inside the shaft. To avoid that, we are making such kind of protection to fill any materials to lift the car down. We have some devices on the lift.
Okay.
In the lift shaft, we have many sensors. So if the hole is open, what will happen during the maintenance? There's a chance of, like you can see,
Yeah.
many bolt will be there. It may fill inside the shaft. So to avoid that, we are making such protections here. These are the rope sockets. The rope will be arresting through this bulldog clips, okay, and these are the safety pins. These are the safety pins. It is actually now here it's a fresh units, right? Some of the project what will happen, lift project will be old project. Yeah. That thing what will happen is right. Now there will not be. It's actually auto lubrication. In the inside the rope, there will be one internal single thread will be there for the lubrication. Once I put the lubrication, it will absorb and will keep inside. So whenever it runs, it will come out and again preserve.
So since this is the only.
Yeah, it is not required now. Yeah. Take on levers, sir. That is mandatory. Shall we go there? Yeah. Okay. Pin some. Okay, this is the traveling cable, compression chain, and this is the core buffer.
Buffer means it will stop, right?
Yeah. If there is over travel, okay, free fall, this will come down directly.
Where is the ladder?
This side. Please.
Only one ladder?
Yeah. Each elevator is only one.
Okay.
This is the buffer. This is the traveling cable, and there is a compression chain. Okay, and counter will run here.
How many feet we have? We have only
I know what all it is here. Don't fool me. I know controller. There is a pin socket. There is a Wi-Fi thing. There is a camera.